Samsung has been making headlines lately with the expected launch of two new mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A54. With leaks and official announcements, we have gathered some interesting details about these devices. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. According to a leaked image, Samsung plans to offer the Galaxy Buds 2 earbuds as a gift for early adopters of the Galaxy A34 and A54. The promotional offer will run from March 15th to April 30th, which coincides with reports of a March 15th launch event for the two devices. The Galaxy A34 5G and A54 5G will feature 6.6-inch and Super AMOLED Infinity U and Infinity O screens, respectively, with a 120Hz refresh rate. The A34 5G has a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chip, while the A54 5G has an Exynos 1380 processor. Both phones have three rear-facing cameras, with the A54 featuring a 50MP primary camera and the A34 with a 48MP primary camera. The phones will feature a plastic curved frame, Gorilla Glass protection, and an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. They will also have an under-display fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, 5000 mAh batteries, and 25W fast charging. Samsung has launched an official registration page in India, where prospective buyers can register and get notified about the release of these phones. The page guarantees 4 generations of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. The phones will also come with Samsung Wallet and Samsung Knox security. Samsung hasn't confirmed the prices of the Galaxy A34 and A54 in India, but reports suggest a price increase of roughly 15%. The Galaxy A34 5G may cost around 30,000 Indian rupees, $366, while the Galaxy A54 5G may cost around 40,000 Indian rupees, $488. Prices in different markets may vary considerably. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A34 and A54 with all their leaks, specs, and launch details. Are you excited about these mid-range smartphones? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.